Good morning. I'm down on Belfast Sydenham Road. That's the airport road going into Shorts and along the Connswater over there. And I'm down here. It's a fresh morning, and I'm down opposite a new building. If you've been coming up along the Sydenham Road, you can hardly fail to have missed the building of this prestigious new centre, new showroom. It's a Porsche showroom, and it's quite good looking. It's eye-catching. It's futuristic, to say the least. And this has captured the imagination and captured the eye for many who are interested in motors, and especially Porsche motors. And as I say, it's only going up in the last, 3-4 months. New Porsche Centre. Just underneath Samson and Goliath there, Titanic. I think this is Isaac New and Company have opened this centre. Porsche, of course, been around, created, invented, or whatever you want to call it, in Stuttgart, 1931, by a guy called Ferdinand Porsche. And just up along from that is the Audi Centre. So there's two car makers that you might be interested in on Sydenham Road, Belfast, near Titanic. And this Porsche Centre showroom, Belfast, is massive, and it's, as I say, it's futuristic. A lot of glass, a lot of metal, shiny glass and grey metal, and it looks très chic. It's got 7 hybrid charging points, and it has a forecourt that can accommodate up to between 40 and 50, well, I think it's around about 40 used Porsches, and you see some of them sitting out there. And it's got 7 work bays manned by 7 trained mechanics. So, if you're interested in cars, if you're interested in Porsche cars, this is obviously the place to come. Now, if I was interested in a Porsche car, in fact, if I was interested in buying a Porsche car, this would be my choice here. I wouldn't have one of the small ones. I like a wee bit of comfort and a wee bit of room, and this would do me well.